In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to migrate to Obsidian from Onenote. By the end, you'll have your Onenote content brought into Obsidian as clean markdown notes, with images and attachments preserved, and a clear place to find everything inside your vault. I'll walk you through the exact clicks, explain what each setting means, and share a few tips so the process feels smooth and predictable. Start by opening Obsidian and making sure you're in the vault where you want your imported notes to live. If you keep separate vaults for work and personal, pick the one that makes sense for your OneNote material. Having the right vault selected up front prevents you from moving files later. Open the app's settings by clicking the gear icon in the lower left corner. This is where you control plugins and integrations that extend Obsidian beyond plain notes. In the settings sidebar, select Community Plugins. This area is where you can add trusted extensions created by the community and the Obsidian team. We'll use an official tool here designed specifically to bring content in from other apps, including OneNote. Click Browse to open the plugin directory. You'll see a searchable catalog with descriptions, ratings, and install buttons. In the search bar, type Importer. You're looking for the Importer plugin that handles migrations from several sources. The listing will note that it supports Microsoft OneNote, which is exactly what we need. Click Install to add the plugin to your vault, and then click Enable so it becomes active. Installing downloads the code, enabling turns it on so you can use it right away within this vault. Close the Settings panel and look to the left sidebar. You'll now see the Importer icon in the ribbon. Click it to open the Importer panel. If you don't see the icon right away, make sure you're still in the same vault and that the plugin shows as enabled in Settings. In the Importer panel, set the file format to Microsoft OneNote. This tells the tool which importer to use and ensures the right conversion rules are applied. Under the hood, the importer will fetch your OneNote notebooks and convert pages into markdown files, bring over embedded images, and place attachments into a companion folder so your links continue working. Next, type in the output folder. This is the location inside your current vault where the imported notes will be created. Choose a clear, dedicated folder name, such as OneNote Imports or something similar, so everything lands in one place you can review. If the folder doesn't already exist, specifying a new path here helps keep the import organized from the start. When prompted, sign in with your Microsoft account. This step authorizes Obsidian's importer to securely access your OneNote content. You'll see Microsoft's sign-in window, and depending on your account, you may be asked for multi-factor approval. The importer only uses this connection to read your notebooks so it can pull in the pages you already own. If you manage multiple Microsoft accounts, be sure you sign in with the one that holds the notebooks you want to migrate. With the format selected, the output folder set, and your Microsoft account authenticated, click Import. You'll see progress as the importer connects, lists your notebooks, and brings content into your vault. The time this takes depends on how many notes you have and how many attachments they include. Large embedded files will extend the process, so give it a little room to work. During the conversion, pages become markdown files, sections become folders, and images or documents are saved alongside your notes with links updated to point to the new local copies. If you used a lot of formatting in OneNote, the importer will translate the essentials so your notes remain readable and easy to edit in Obsidian. When it finishes, you'll find everything in the output folder you specified, neatly structured for Obsidian. From there, you can browse your imported notes, use search to locate specific pages, and start linking ideas together with wiki-style links. That's the entire migration in a straightforward flow. Enable the importer plugin, choose Microsoft's OneNote, set your output folder, sign in, and run the import. Enjoy your notes in Obsidian, and happy organizing.